Hi guys, welcome back to another Q4 FY25 series. In today's video, we are going to be covering the hospital space. And now when we talk about the hospital space, right, here I've taken around 12 hospitals. What we're going to do is, we're going to talk about them individually, as well as by the end of the video, we will also do a P2P ka analysis, and we will see, what these companies are up to. Okay. We will see that. Now, in this hospitals, like I have covered some hospitals in detail in the Q4 FY25 series, so I might not go in depth over there. But while doing the P2P, whatever the important topics are there, I'll cover it. Okay. Also, guys, as you know, if you guys want to, like understand how to build your portfolio, कैसे portfolio management करते हैं, ठीक है? And along with that, if you want to understand, how to generate alpha, how to cut the stocks, and by looking at my portfolio, if you want to understand it, get the portfolio analysis workshop. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to start by sharing the screen. It's like a basic P2P. I have no clue why my hair is so frizzy today, but okay. Okay, so yeah, these are the companies, these are the hospitals that we will be doing today. Okay. Now over here, what you would have to see is, do not consider this column. I will explain it to you. I have written this column, as per my understanding, because there are as you can see, so many numbers are there, so many bed capacities that are there. It becomes hard for me to remember exactly, kiske paas kitna bed hai, kitna add kar rahe, and how much, in how many years are they adding, kitna CAGR expansion hai. It becomes hard for me, so that is why I've written it. So ignore this. मैं आपको explain कर दूंगी. Just right off the bat, you see these are the companies will be doing. ठीक है, जीना से लेके GPT तक. Now over here, these two hospitals, as you can see, I put it like below, not in continuation. The reason is because with Kowai Medical Care Center and hospitals, I do not know what is going on with the hospital. ठीक है, like these people do not come up with the PPT or even a press release of some sort. So it's very hard for me to gauge over here, कि like kitna hospital hai, in kitna beds hai, how many beds are they adding, when will it get commissioned, has there been a delay in commission? I mean, there's a lot of like no answers over here. That is why I've kept it below. That is the thing. If you guys ask me kya ho raha hai, I do not know anything that is happening in this hospital. As how much aapko pata hai, looking at screener, looking at BSc, that is all I know. Similarly, this Uni Health Hospital, this is also great. Ye bhi, they're putting up with a lot of expansion and everything, but there are a lot of answers that I do not have. Like I have a lot of questions jiska answers mere paas nahi hai. And one of my friend is meeting the management, and hopefully if I get answers from him, then I will do this video separately. Okay. Other than that, we will be covering all of these hospitals. Now, even in this list, I think you would have seen Jina ka, Max, Yatharth, and Asarfi hospitals. Okay. I have already done a separate video regarding these four hospitals regarding the Q4 FY25. If I see a good opportunity, if I see there is a high growth engine, मैं उसके ऊपर as soon as the result and con calls है, I continue to like I do the separate video. अगर there are other hospitals that needs to be considered, then it's better to do like P2P करके यहाँ पे आपको दिखाना, ठीक है. Now again, also another thing, if you guys want to understand how to analyze the hospitals, in YouTube there is a video of mine called as Basics, I think called as Basics of Hospital Sector बोल के. You will find a video, just type Basics of Hospital Sector Prerna बोल के, you will find that video, ठीक है. So if you're a newbie, you do not understand the hospital space, you do not know what are the metrics, what to look for, what do that metrics mean, you refer to that video of mine. मैंने वहाँ पे detailedly have explained, कि like what is occupancy, what is ARPOB, what is ALOS, all of that. Okay. Now for now, we will take these metrics only and we will do. Now you might ask me, see, whenever you talk about a hospital, there are the first and foremost important thing is आपका sales growth. Sales growth is the king. अगर आपका sales growth नहीं है, everything भाड़ में गया. It is like that. Okay. First is the sales growth. Obviously, for any shareholder after that to make money, we need the EPS growth. So we look at profitability. We need to see operating leverage must be there. Okay. These two are paramount in any businesses, whether it is hospital, whether it is आपका B2C का companies, B2B companies, anything that you see, these two become a paramount over here. Okay. Along with that, we need to see यहाँ पे if the EBITDA margin is maintained, because here they do a lot of capex and everything. So going forward, when they do a capex, is the EBITDA margin going to be maintained or not? Now you might also ask me, Kinak, why did I not choose occupancy, why did I not choose RPOB and everything? The reason is because why I didn't choose occupancy, why I didn't choose RPOB is RPOB अगर आप देखते हो, it is not really comparable with all of these companies, ठीक है? Because RPOB is a mix of three things, right? RPOB is a mix of आपका payer mix, whether you're coming from government, insurance, and cash, ठीक है? Now all of these hospitals have different payer mix. Like if I look at Rainbow Children's Hospital is a very niche category now. And यहाँ पे अगर आप इस niche category को देखते हो, they are only catering to children. These people are 50 coming from insurance, 50 coming from cash. There is no government only. So उनका if you look at RPOB is way higher. Similarly, if you look at Max का RPOB is also higher. But if you look at Yatharth का RPOB is a bit lower. Why? Yatharth का government का payer mix is 35%. ठीक है? So these are the things over here. That is why you can't really take RPOB का at face value. You can probably see RPOB कितना percentage से increase हुआ है compared to last year to this year. That would be a right metric rather than looking at RPOB का value that is there. The other thing is occupancy, because occupancy is like a good definition of volume growth over here. RPOB is like value growth, आप बोल सकते हो. Occupancy, why have I not taken? ठीक है? Like I told you, many of these companies, many of these hospitals, they are doing capex. ठीक है? Now and they're adding beds. Occupancy का simple सा definition क्या है? Occupancy equal to number of beds occupied by total number of beds available. Okay, look at this definition. This is what occupancy means. Now, if I tell you that total number of beds available is 1000, okay, let's say 1000 hai, and that you have not added any beds. Last time you have occupied, let's say 800 beds. Then this time in FY25, you occupied 900 beds, but the base is same. So in this way, you can see for a company, occupancy is increasing. On the other hand, let's say आपका occupancy, आपका beds था last year 1000. This time your beds is total number of beds is 1500. Last time you have occupied, let's say 500 beds out of 1000. This time you're occupying probably 700 beds out of 1500. Although the total number of beds occupied is increasing, यहाँ पे ये denominator भी बढ़ रहा है ना. So that is why you might see कि like sometimes that occupancy का number can be lying over here, ठीक है? Because यहाँ पे for many companies this total number of beds available, ये base का जो है ना, that is also increasing along with the numerator, ठीक है? That is why when I tell occupancy also, if I take an absolute value, that can also be a little bit it's not fair, you can tell, okay? So that is the reason मैंने वो occupancy RPOB को नहीं लिया, because every hospital that you see, they are operating in a different league, different geography, different cases over here. So that is the reason. That is why this capacity का expansion जो है ना, who is doing the most number of capex and कितना कम साल में कर रहा है. Let's say if a person is if the person is doubling their bed capacity, let's say there are two hospitals, 1000 beds say for both the hospital. One hospital is planning to take from 1000 to 2000 in 3 years, and the other hospital is taking 1000 to 2000 beds in 5 years. What becomes lucrative? The first one, right? Because the amount of time taken for you to double the bed capacity is less. Okay? So this is the thing. हम इसके ऊपर से, that is why I've taken the capacity का thing. Now I'll directly jump to the thing. I have to take notes over here because I want to look at the timestamp, okay? Because it becomes very difficult otherwise. Okay? First thing first, let us analyze हमारा जो I think if you have to do it right off the bat now, you can see over here sales growth देख लो, ठीक है? I have arranged it from a decreasing order. I think the only exception is Asarfi. We'll come to that later. But can you see from here only you can make out who is the best player and who is the worst player, ठीक है? अगर आप देखते हो like the last 3 league में अगर मुझे किसी को डालना पड़ेगा, it would be Aster, Narayana and GPT Healthcare. Let's say these come last in the race. ये third position में है. In the middle tier, in the second position या middle tier position में अगर ले लूं, all of these hospital from Rainbow to Asarfi क्या है, they come in the middle level hospital. Again, I will explain this later. ये 40% का जो है, I will explain it later, although you will see that 40% is greater than max. And in the first level, if I have to add, it will be these 4 hospitals, ठीक है? Jina, Max, Yatharth and KIMS, ठीक है? Now, another thing, I know a lot of people will ask me कि like, Jina आप क्यों compare कर रहे हो? Because Jina is a Ayurvedic hospital compared to, let's say, all the other hospitals which are allopathy medicines. But here is the thing, ठीक है? Ultimately, हॉस्पिटल ही है. I know it is not like to like comparison नहीं है, but having said that, up, take it with a pinch of salt. You can either add it or not add it. We will do with and without also comparison, Gina and without Gina also. ठीक है. So race में आपको already पता चल गया कि like who is first and who is last, right? You already know it. Now what is important for you to understand is like why certain players are coming first and certain players are coming last. That becomes very, very important. ठीक है. So first thing first, we will start from the top only, from the crema will stop. We'll start. ठीक है. Gina का अगर आप देखते हो, this year they've had a very, very fantastic year, right? उनका अगर आप देखते हो sales growth that is there, it is 45%. अगर आप उनका PAT देखते हो, PAT grew by almost 31%. Now the reason they didn't get operating leverage over here with Gina is because in the span of the March month, right, they've added 500 beds. So उसके वजह से क्या हुआ है, depreciation cost, आपका a lot of expenses are upfront. That is why, since it is a capex induced cost जो है, that is why they missed out on operating leverage. ठीक है. Now अगर मैं इसका बेड का कैपेसिटी, अगर आप उसको ऑक्यूपेंसी देखते हो, आरपॉप देखते हो, fabulous, no problem with that. ठीक है. Refer to the Gina Seco का video. I'll not go in detail with the tiny minuscule details. ठीक है. अगर मैं Gina Seco का, if I have to talk about the bed capacity का expansion, ठीक है. In the starting of the year, that is in FY24, they had 1273 beds. ठीक है. And they wanted to add, roughly around 500 beds or, ठीक है. That was the target. So they should have to reach 1700 beds. But they ended this year with 2175 beds. Target था कितना? To add 500 beds. How many beds did they add here? 827 beds. ठीक है. Now here is the thing, when you look at PPT, you might see only 1800 or 1900 beds. Why? Because the last 500 beds got commissioned, like I told you, in the month of March, the end of financial year. ठीक है. That is the thing. But they didn't get the, once you put up a hospital, you have to get a license now that you can go ahead, you get a green signal to start the treatment from the regulatory authorities. Since they didn't get that green signal, it is still in the paper, in the process. It didn't happen right before March 31st, it has to happen 31st, yeah, 31st ke pehle for you to add it in your PPT, income statement, kuch bhi to include it in your accounting statements, right? Since that didn't happen, that is why aap PPT mein dekhte ho 800, 1800, 1900 beds, theek hai. That is the thing. Now, if I take March 31st mein 1800, 1900 beds, let's say approximately up 2000 look, theek hai. And if you see, unka target hai to add 3000 beds in this year. That is literally 1000 bed capacity in the upcoming 1 year, FY25-26. That's literally 50% CAGR ka aap bol sakte ho expansion. And I believe nobody is doing that kind of expansion in this entire thing. So now you understand why it comes first in the race. Unka occupancy mein koi problem nahi hai. They will get the volume growth. They will get the ARPOB also. Absolutely no problem. Even in fact, Acharya Manish told, in some hospitals, they will be hiking up the prices and everything, right? So no problem. So now I hope you understand ki like uska bed capacity kitne kare, right? Highest amount of beds they're adding in the lowest period of time. Nobody over here is adding the, itna amount of bed nahi add kar rahe in this short period of time like Gina Seco, that is there. Okay? So this, you understand why it comes on top of the race, why Gina Seco is number one. Okay? The second thing yahan pe we talk about is Max Healthcare. Okay? Max Healthcare, I can tell you now, obviously Max Healthcare ka base is very, very big, right? Max ka almost 1 lakh, I think I think almost 1 lakh crore ka market cap hai, theek hai. So Max ka is base is huge, but I have a lot of respect, for what Max does, because in this base, you see, right, how many companies are there at 1 lakh crore ka market cap who's even able to grow at 15 to 20% ka CAGR. Nobody even tries, ab main bol sakti hu. And here the founders are putting everything that is there online, to make it the best. So it's really, I will tell you, right, the itna bada base mein agar aap 30% ka growth kar rahe ho, it is really, really exceptional to say the least. Okay? Agar aap Max ka bare mein baat karte ho, Max also the same thing. The sales grew by 30%. By the way, I have my notes over here on the phone because too many data to remember, and I don't want to, because if you are investing the time, oh shoot, ye kitna hua? 9:47. We are discussing about Max. Okay. So the thing is right with what was I telling? Yeah, I do not want to do a disservice at the end of the day, see, sometimes I do a mistake, that is understandable, because I am also a human being, unconsciously ho jate hai, but consciously, I don't think anybody should do it. So if you have a choice, that is that. I mean, anyways, let's get back. Okay, who cares? Max का अगर आप देखते हो, Max का अगर आप hospitals देखते हो, the sales grew by this time 30% on a year-on-year basis and 34% on a quarter-on-quarter. That is Q4 on Q4. अगर मैं PAT का बारे में बात करती हूँ, PAT is flat on a year-on-year basis. Why? Because with the amount of hospitals, amount of beds they've added. अगर मैं occupancy का बात करूँ, occupancy is at 74% last year versus 75%. ARPOB is also, ARPOB is great over here. Now, like I told you, can you see ARPOB? मैंने अगर occupancy के बारे में बात किया, last time it was 74%, this time it is 75%. So when you look at that occupancy का data, what do you feel कि like अरे यार इसका तो occupancy नहीं बढ़ा, it is flat, something तो गड़बड़ है यहाँ पे, right? That is what you feel. You might feel like ACP Pradyuman, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, like that. But that is not the case. Coming back to the same definition that I was explaining over here, कहा था वो? Remember मैंने यहाँ पे occupancy का मैंने आपको वो definition I made you explain कि like denominator बढ़ रहा है, numerator is increasing, but along with that the base जो है, the base is also increasing. That is why you feel like occupancy has not increased. But having said that, Max का जो कुछ भी hospital उन्होंने डाला है ना, it is being exceptional to say the least. I'll give you a thing. उनका in the last in March 24, ठीक है, they acquired this hospital called as Max Lucknow. उन्होंने acquisition भी किया in some hospitals. Sometimes they have done a brownfield capacity, sometimes they've done a greenfield capacity. Max is doing everything under the sun, ठीक है, मतलब उनको जहां पर भी hospital मिल रहा है, if there is a land available, they'll go acquire that land and they will construct a hospital. If there is an existing hospital unka, where there is, let's say there is a little bit of land that is available, they'll go and they will do a brownfield in the existing hospital. But now let's say if there is some hospital, it is lying there, nobody is using that hospital, it is up for sale, they will go acquire it, put their management and completely transform the hospital. So unka agar aap dekhte ho na, left, right and center acquisition chal raha hai, and they are hell bent, to be the best hospital in the space and get a pan-India presence, or at least a presence in the Delhi NCR and the northern part of India. Okay. Now see about this. There were 4 hospitals last time that got operationalized: Max Lucknow, Max Nagpur, Max Noida and Max Dwarka. ठीक है, अगर आप देखते हो, if you look at the Max Lucknow, उसका occupancy जो है, it is at 66% this time, and last time it was 57%. And revenues for this Max Lucknow hospital is up by 56%. 56%, ठीक है, is up on a year-on-year basis, last year से this year. अगर मैं नागपुर का बात करूं, नागपुर was acquired in February of 24, ठीक है. Even this also, the revenue contribution, या sales जो है, it is up by 23%, and occupancy is up from 60 to 78%. Now do you see, अगर आप consolidated में देखते हो, the occupancy was कितना? It looks like flat, 74 versus 75%. But now do you see every single, अगर मैं उनका जो कुछ भी hospital है, if I take it, like every hospital अगर मैं देखती हूँ, you see that सब में तो hospitals में occupancy has increased over here, ठीक है? But since they're adding so many beds, every quarter उनका इतना beds addition हो रहा है ना, that is why the occupancy looks flat, ठीक है? And even if you look at Max Noida, if you look at Max Dwarka, right, everything that is there now, it is running really great. Now inka bhi, if you look at it, they're coming up with a lot of facilities also. I will not go into detail like in which hospital how many beds they are putting, okay? But ye jano roughly, if you look at it, as of now, if you see, Max Healthcare has 5,500 beds, okay? Sorry, they have that beds, and they plan to reach around, this is wrong, 55,000 5,000 5,100 beds, and they plan to reach 9,000 beds in 4 years. That is, I believe by FY28 they plan to reach that. Now agar main iska bed ka expansion CAGR dekhti hu, that is around 18 to 21% ka CAGR. And unlike other hospital, what advantage Max has is not just they are a super specialty hospital, but one of the biggest advantages, they have a highest coming from cash and insurance, and they place themselves as a premium hospital. So as a result, unko ARPOB na is not a difficult thing, to increase the price, because even if you look at Max ka ARPOB, it is 70,000 rupees. If you look at Yatharth, it is around 35,000, 40,000. Even KIMS also in that same range as Yatharth. So they have the highest amount of ARPOB, you can tell, compared to anybody else. Because that premiumness really is there. So that is what I'm telling you. Max ka, there is no problem for the upcoming 3 years that you see, right? Absolutely no problem in terms of scaling up the business, okay? Because kya hote na hospital mein, the major problem is, let's say your hospital has 100 beds. You know what is the maximum revenue you can do. If you want to do aage ka growth na, you have to put up a new hospital. Otherwise, there will be no growth come. That is why yahan pe, with any hospital, na, capex being done is very important, because aage ka growth ke liye you will have to keep acquiring, keep doing some sort of greenfield for you. Otherwise, after a certain level of point, the revenue becomes stagnant because you do not have any beds only. Patients will keep coming, but you do not have the facility to cater to that patient. That is one thing over here with hospitals. Every single additional revenue you have to get, you have to put more and more and more capex, which there is no problem, with which industry? IT industry. Okay. IT industry ke liye you have to cater to 100 clients, no problem. Your operational cost is less because आपका software में चलता है. All you need is a little bit of manual power. ठीक है, चल जाएगा, उतना भी expensive नहीं है, unlike the hospitals का thing. ठीक है. So that's that with Max. The only thing with Max is, yes, like see, if you talk about Max now, इसका अगर आप देखते हो operating leverage मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. And for a stock you will need both. You would need PE rating as well as EPS का growth, right? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? EPS का growth is getting subdued, either because ये लोग इतना equity dilution कर रहे, because you need money for all this hospital to be operational. At the same time, क्या हो रहा है ना? You're all, since so much capex is happening, you can see, right, for the next 4 year also we are going to have a fab capex. But ये capex में आपका सारा cost upfront है, right? Depreciation cost, medical equipment का cost, employee का cost, all of this is upfront. And for any hospital, for it to break even, it takes a minimum of a year or 3 years, okay, depending on the hospital. So as a result, that puts a lot of pressure on the bottom line. So this hospital, if you look at Max, great, okay, matlab absolutely fantastic, growing the fastest, high growth, leading the race. If I remove Gina Seco, this entire hospitals now, if you see who's leading the race, Max is leading the race, right? And that too, like see, all of this Aster, sabka to like almost 15,000 crore market cap se kam hai, theek hai sabka, and Max ka is like 1 lakh crore market cap. So that person with that big base is able to grow. So obviously coming first in the race. But having said that, since there is no EPS ka growth, since there is no operating leverage, it becomes very hard for the stock to get that PE rating very quickly. Like you will see, right, how Gina Seco got a PE rating in a span of 1 year. You see how PGL got a PE rating in a span of 1 year. Look at Sky Gold. Why? Growth, operating leverage plus comes first in the race. It becomes difficult over here when one of the three is also missing. That is a problem with Max. Okay. Now, the next hospital we will be doing is Yatharth. Yatharth ka agar aap dekhte ho, right, Yatharth has a good Yatharth has a Yatharth has a good it's a good competitor to Max actually, because Yatharth is a 30% का growth engine, 25 to 30% लेके चलो, ठीक है. But the advantage of Yatharth is the base is very small. Yatharth का market cap is 5,000 crore, Max का market cap is 1 lakh crore, ठीक है. So the only thing is Yatharth has to compete with Max very flawlessly for it to be able to reach Max का valuation, ठीक है. And Yatharth भी देखो ना, जो कुछ भी बोला since the time of IPO they are doing it, ठीक है. उनका अगर वो IT rate का चक्कर नहीं चलता ना, that stock would have re-rated आराम से after the IPO. But उनका वो IT rate का चक्कर चला, वो there were some cases with respect to उनका 4th hospital and everything. A lot of issues happened which really dragged down the stock, right? But अगर आप उनका भी देखते हो, growth rate is very flawless, 30% का growth rate है. And unlike the last 2 quarters where Max was leading the race, if you remember, right, in Q3, Yatharth was a 30% ka growth engine, whereas Max grew by 40% Q3 on Q3. Versus right now, you will see both have come to a same level. Yatharth is also 30% ka growth engine, Max is also 30%. Yatharth ka aur ek advantage kya hai yahan pe? If you look at Yatharth, they have around 1,650 beds, okay? And recently, as you remember, last 2 quarters pehle, they acquired 2 hospitals. One in Faridabad, a 400-bed hospital, and the other one in Delhi, which is a 300-bed hospital. So in the next 1 year, that is FY 25-26, ek pura saal mein kya hoga? They will have 700 beds that will get operationalized just whoop in just a year, right? Now, agar aap iska dekhte ho expansion, if I just consider due to this 57% ka CAGR hai. They have another brownfield capacity coming up in the existing Noida hospital, but not sure exactly when it will take place. And the company has also told, they're eyeing for one more acquisition they are eyeing for. So that is the thing. If that can happen, because acquisition, it is easier for you to, reach that occupancy, you'll reach occupancy quickly. EBITDA break even hone mein it becomes quickly. So if Yatharth, if Yatharth, right, I'm telling you, if Yatharth this entire year, FY 25-26, grows faster than Max, gets an operating leverage, right? Because I understand unka do hospital, it will take them 1 year to reach a break-even level. But if they are able to grow now, I mean, there is not much difference between Max and Yatharth. And if Yatharth grows faster, like they have been doing, this is what 24-25, 23-24, pura saal to they grew faster than Max. Max that time was a 15 to 20% ka growth engine. Yatharth was a 40% ka growth engine at that time. They were beating everybody left, right, and center with operating leverage. Only and only the worst thing that happened over here is that stupid IT case, the stupid, I don't know, some idiot told that, they won't cover the company and panic chala, all of that. If that didn't happen, already the stock would have re-rated. But again, Yatharth still does stand a chance because of its low base. And if it can compete with Max, if it can continue to grow at 30%, for let's say the upcoming year, it continues to beat Max. And you have to hope that Max does less than 30%. And along with that, if it keeps getting that operating leverage, now there would be no stop over here. So that is the thing. Isko hame track karna padega. So if I exclude Gina is really great. But if I exclude in this entire hospital space now, Max and Yatharth ke beech mein hi competition hai. Either it is Max winning the race or it is Yatharth. Agar Max jeetta bhi hai na, it becomes very difficult at this base for it to get an operating leverage. Also, PE rating hona bhi thoda mushkil hai yahan pe, theek hai. But on the other hand, for Yatharth, it becomes easy. But what is the catch for Yatharth? It has to grow faster than Max. But unfortunately, it's a neck-to-neck competition over here, because Max is not like, wo chupchap bet raha in the corner. You see, right? Look at the bed capacity they're putting up. There is no competition over here. So that is the thing. Okay. Now, the other hospital we will do is KIMS. KIMS also stands a chance if they really pull up the socks. The advantage that KIMS has over Max and over Max is the fact that iska jo bhi capex tha, it is completely done. Okay? Almost all the capex is done, in fact, because as of Q2, right, they had 2,285 beds. And they literally see 2,285 beds tha, they plan to add 1,535 beds in this month of, in this FY 25-26. It was supposed to happen in Q3, but from Q3, it got delayed to Q4. And now Q4, it is getting delayed to Q1. Now, once this bed gets up, because see, all the capex is done. Once the bed gets operationalized, top line to aa hi jayega. Okay, there is no problem with top line over here with KIMS, right? And and one more advantage KIMS has is they're trying to spread out everywhere. Okay, not earlier they were very focused in Telangana and that Andhra Pradesh region. Now they're going Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Bombay, everywhere they're doing whatever they can. Okay, and they're putting up. Now KIMS does stand a chance, like absolutely. Again, see, you can't really, like, it's not a sure thing, is because all of these beds, this 1,535 beds that were there, most of it was supposed to get operationalized in Q3. Like I told you, it got delayed to Q4. A bit is getting delayed to Q1, right? So hopefully it happens in Q1 also this time. If it doesn't happen, then it becomes tough. The reason why it is getting delayed over here, see, this is an advantage of having an acquisition. Okay? Acquisition, agar aap acquire kar rahe ho, most of the times that existing hospital is already, uska sara fit out sab ho chuka hai. You probably have to do some changes with respect to your interiors, get a better medical equipments, get your doctors, train your doctors and put over there. Some hospitals will even have empanelment facility. Like for example, Yatharth ka jo Faridabad hospital that they acquired in the year 24-25, right? Ek Faridabad ka hospital ki, I think in 23-24 they acquired, not really sure. That, uska break even, I think they reached an EBITDA break even in a span of 1 year. I hope I'm not wrong. I believe they reached an EBITDA break even with that company, with that hospital. Why? Because that hospital had, although, it was already a fully, it was a constructed hospital, uska already empanelment tha, which means what? Insurance, government, everybody, had that empanelment. So, it didn't take time for you, to reach that occupancy. In fact, right now, I believe the occupancy is at 27%, just in a span of 1 year of that hospital. When you're doing a greenfield capacity, first you have to acquire a land, फिर उसके ऊपर आप, एक building खड़ा कर दो, फिर doctors का hire करो, फिर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के साथ जाके बात करो. All of this gets delayed and delayed and delayed. सिर्फ one document gets delayed, everything gets delayed. So what happens ultimately? The time that requires for you, आप the time it requires for you to do a capex and start, that gets delayed. यही उनका यही problem है. Since a lot of it is a greenfield capacity ना, it takes time, and it is for them even more difficult to get a bottom line over here. ठीक है? So that's that with KIMS. We'll have to see how it goes over here with KIMS. अच्छा hospital है, it stands a chance, but again in the last 3-4 quarters, if you see, it's been an engine between 20 to 27%. They've never been able to do it like, I think in one quarter they did 27 or 28 in Q3, but after that, no. Okay, so that's the thing. Iska bhi operating leverage nahi hai. Agar aap dekhte ho pura ka pura hospital space mein, there is no operating leverage because all of them have to do so much capex ki like, bottom line hi chala jata hai. Okay. Very interesting company over here is, now you understood na, iska agar aap dekhte ho, everybody, if you see why they are in the number one space, either they're doing the most amount of capex in a shorter period of time, iske wajah se iska growth rate is higher, or the capex has already been done because of which they will be able to get the growth. Okay. Now the next hospital we will be doing is Rainbow Children Medical Care. Now Rainbow ka agar main baat karu, again no problem in terms of capacity and everything. But here is the thing, iska kya hua na, they were a good 20 to 25% ka growth engine, COVID and the next 2 years of COVID. After that, what happened? Who are the main customers for Rainbow Children? The kids, right? So the kids, kya hua tha, right? Once after the COVID also happened, after everything, lockdown and everything were removed, once they started going to school, since their immunity was not accustomed, because all the kids were at home now, so you're protected. Now we are going to a newer environment now. Aap ek school ja rahe ho, daycare ja rahe ho. So they started falling sick because their immunity was not developed. Okay. So as a result, usko, COVID ke baad bhi that high base really didn't affect. Okay. But after that, what happens? Obviously, the more a kid goes out, the immunity gets accustomed now. Then what happened? Uska wo sales bhi chala gaya, okay? Then the pace of growth started coming down. They went from a 20-25% to like 15%, 12%. And then I think there was also one quarter where they started growing by single digit. Okay? So I mean, it was really terrible. Now, if you see, again, the pace of growth is slowly coming up. Okay? Pace of growth is coming up. There is, thoda aap dekh sakte ho, Rainbow ka sales grew by 19%. But here is the thing, uska occupancy, agar aap dekhte ho, it has not really improved that much. Okay? Occupancy, if you see, hardly like a single digit growth hai yahan pe. In terms of ARPOB, if you see, yahan pe the main advantage that Rainbow has compared to any other hospital, I will tell two people who have good advantages, Rainbow, and there is this other hospital called as Fortis. Okay, Fortis Healthcare. Why? Because Rainbow and Fortis are like premium hospitals. Okay? Like they know, okay, like, bhai, I'm a private hospital, I will provide you the best care. But guess what the catch is? I'm going to charge higher. Because you go to Fortis, if you're in Bangalore, you would know, right? Fortis, Columbia Asia, these are the two most premium hospitals that are there. And here kya hota hai? Aapko ek room hai, you'll get this suite room. Rainbow mein, if a mother, if a pregnant woman goes to deliver, she gets a suite room, that room and this room, dream room and all of that stuff. So obviously, if you're a private hospital and you're providing a premium facility, you will charge more. That is why inka ARPOB higher hai. Now, since a private hospital hai, they have only two policies, either cash and insurance, because all of these hospitals are built by the founder's money, uska land and everything. They don't take any subsidiary from government, right? So they don't care. So as a result, kya hua hai? Yahan pe they don't take any government ka patient at all. Pura ka pura aate either ya cash ya aapka insurance. Another reason why ARPOB is higher. Why? Because with cash you can aram se increase the price. Okay? If you tell today is 50,000, tomorrow you will tell the treatment is 75,000. Nobody can question you because it is your hospital, private hospital. Kuch bhi jaake ladai karo, nobody cares. In insurance kya hota hai? Since you are a premium hospital, every insurance want to be associated with you. At the same time, with insurance you can take a price hike, depending on the contract which you have with that insurance company. Like a span of 1 year or 2 years, mein aapka price ka revision hota rehta hai. And these people take a price hike even with insurance also in a span of 12 to 18 months. Okay? So that is the reason. So the growth that is there is coming from this, the ARPOB ko growth mostly. Like, okay, little bit of ARPOB growth, little bit of occupancy, and the new beds that are coming up. Okay? That is the thing. If you look at ARPOB, now, agar main Q4 on Q4 dekhte ho, it is up by 7%. And if you look at the occupancy agar aap dekhte ho, it is hardly up, like I told you, up by single digit, right? 4-5%. So you understand most of it is coming, from that increase in value, and not necessarily, from the from the increase in volume growth or by taking new patients. Agar मैं इसका बात करूं, like I told you, they have 2,100 beds now, out of which they will add 2,001. I think it's 2,715, not 2,175. I must have done a mistake over here. I think it's 2,715 if I'm not wrong. And iska 3 years में they will reach this bed capacity. And the CAGR आप देख सकते हो ना, 10% का CAGR. So bed capacity से 10%, let's say आपका occupancy से 5%, RPOP से 5%. That's roughly a 15 to 20% का growth engine. 15 to 20% का growth engine at this valuation, very hard to get a PE rating over here. Earlier, it used to be like a 20% growth engine available at 20p, या 30% का growth engine available at 35p. ठीक है. Now 20% का growth engine 40-50 PE में, it becomes very hard at this rate for you to get a operating, for you to get a PE rating. That is a problem. और एक चीज है, I think, हाँ, corrective बोला था. See, 1,935 beds है. And they plan to add 250 beds. You can see here, right? Andhra Pradesh mein 100 beds. In Bangalore, they will add around 150 beds. Coimbatore is a greenfield capacity, if I'm not wrong. Here, 130 beds. This is a complete greenfield facility. Okay? Actually, fun fact about Rainbow. Rainbow usually doesn't do a greenfield. What they do is they lease out a hospital, like lease out a land, lease out a building, and they do, because unka hospitals jo hai, it is only in tier 1 cities, okay, like Bangalore, Hyderabad and all, okay. This is where they have the hub model. Other places and all, they have only the spoke model. In Delhi is the first place. They bought a land. They're constructing a hospital. Actually, they bought the land, I believe, in 24 FY24 mein they bought the land. You can see na 24 mein they bought the land. But can you see yahan pe, when will the hospital be up? FY27-28. This is a problem with greenfield capacity, okay? Because land खरीदने में आपको इतना सारा permissions milna padta and everything. So that is a problem. Now, why they're going for a greenfield is, like the management told, like, bhai, like, agar if I look at any other cities, if I go for a lease facility, it makes more sense for me. Like, it's less pressure for us as a company, less capex. But Delhi is the only place, if I do lease karu ya main land kharid ke, if I put up a building, it is the same cost. So might as well own the land and put up a building, right? That is much better. So that is the thing with Rainbow, okay? This video is going to be quite long, guys. I can vouch that for sure. Next is we have Jupiter, okay? Jupiter ka problem, you know what? Okay? Jupiter and Yatharth, if you look at it, IPO came at the same time. The only difference is Jupiter ka agar main baat karu to it was a 15 to 20% ka growth engine listed at 60p. Yatharth was a 40% ka growth engine listed at 25p. Okay? I still remember this because in dono ka IPO came back to back. The problem with Jupiter kya hai na? First of all, ye 18% ka 15 to 20% ka growth engine hai. And the valuation is too expensive. Okay? Why would I want to pay 15 to 20% ke liye matlab 40 to 60p? Okay? Isse acha main Apollo na kharidu. Apollo is also growing at 14% ka growth engine. Okay? At least Apollo is a pan-India presence. Management ko koi hai. I mean, I have a large cap such as Apollo and a small cap such as Jupiter growing at the same pace. What is the advantage that I have? And almost like I would rather choose an Apollo. Now you can tell me at valuation, but now you understand why valuation, looking at valuation alone makes no sense. Because if the only way Jupiter will get the same valuation as Apollo is when you grow faster than Apollo, but you're not growing faster than Apollo. Forget that, you're not even growing faster compared to Yatharth, which is in the same league as you. So how do you expect the PE rating to happen? Now over here, Jupiter ka, they have 3 hospitals, Pune, Thane and Indore. Okay, and iska agar aap dekhte ho, totally they have 1,061 beds. Okay, Pune, Thane and Indore. Okay, and they are planning to add 2 more beds, another one in Pune and in Dombivli. Both will be having 500 beds respectively. Dombivli ka hospital will be ready in Q1 of FY27. But Pune ka jo hospital hai, we do not know when it will be ready. It will probably take 3 years. It will take 5 years because just now they have acquired the land. They have to put up a hospital and everything. It will take time. The problem with Jupiter is the fact that ye log Sara ka Sara hospital. If I consider this new hospitals that are coming up, which is Dombivli and Pune, totally they will have 5 hospitals. All 5 hospitals are greenfield. Okay, they own the land and everything. I understand हर एक मैनेजमेंट का एक स्टाइल होता है, बट बिकॉज दे डूइंग अ ग्रीन फील्ड ना, दे कांट डू दैट वेरी अग्रेसिव एक्सपेंशन, ठीक है. सो यू सी राइट 1061 बेड्स है, दे आर प्लानिंग टू डबल द बेड कैपेसिटी, but it can take, you know, like probably 5 to 6 years for them to do that. At the same time, can you see somebody like Max who's planning to go from 5,000 to 9,000? Almost double ही हुआ ना यहाँ पे, double नहीं हुआ, 10,000 बेड्स होगा double करने के लिए, but approximately double ही हुआ, और वो कर रहे हैं 4 साल में. Somebody like Max, oh shit, what happened? Somebody like Max, you know, who is a bigger market cap than you, is able to do the same thing in a shorter period of time than you. So can you see over here, Jupiter का जो है, even if I compare it with Yatharth, पहले तो 18% versus 30% का growth engine. Yatharth is doubling the bed capacity, it already doubled also, and you will for you to double only, it will take another 5 years. वो operation भी नहीं हुआ. So that is another negative point over here with Jupiter, ठीक है. That is why I have put it. But सिर्फ उसका growth rate थोड़ा better है compared to other people. That is why I've kept it in the second position. Like tier 2 में मैंने उसको रखा है. Second is Global Health. Global Health का is around 12% का growth rate. Similarly, अगर आप Global Health का देखते हो ना, occupancy is up by 10%. ARPOB is up only by 2% because these people believe themselves, you know, to be like, you know, I do not want to increase the price and, you know, cause a burden to my customer and everything. That is the thing. Again, that if you look at it, occupancy is just up by 10% यहाँ पे, ठीक है. इनका भी, if you look at it, they're coming up with a huge capacities over here, left, right, and center आ रहा है. But having said that, not much, ठीक है. 2,440 beds है. They're planning to add 1,000 beds in the next 2 years, and they will take it up to 3,440. So आपका CAGR बनते 18%. There is one hospital of theirs which is going to be operational in Q1 of FY26. They have a project with DLF where DLF will construct the hospital and these people will take over and manage the hospital. Bombay में एक और hospital आने वाले. A lot of greenfield is coming up, but again the problem with greenfield is we do not know, you know, क्या timeline होगा. ठीक है. Good hospital. ये hospital, you know, this hospital is, I think, one of the hospitals that made a lot of money for its shareholder after IPO, because at that time Yatharth was not there, Jupiter was not there. This was one of the first hospital that came in IPO after COVID, and you know, they made a lot of money because at that time Max को कोई capacity नहीं था, and the existing capacity of Max was already at 70-75% का utilization में चल रहा था. Apollo same case, Narayana Hrudayalaya same case, and these were the only hospital, Global Health Medanta, that was growing at 25 to 30% in that range. Okay, then क्या हुआ? The pace of growth slowly started coming down. 25 से 20, 20 से 18, 15, and अभी right now 12% का growth rate है, ठीक है. And I do not see it, you know, probably improving it further. Maybe with that beds coming up in Q1, there are certain beds coming up. Who knows? Maybe इसके वजह से थोड़ा और capacity, you know, बढ़ने से थोड़ा growth rate आ सकता है, ठीक है. But having said that, even if the growth rate comes, you know, it is like just a spur, you know, for that particular quarter it can come, because आगे जाके क्या है? Look at the bed capacity का CAGR 18% है, Max का कितना है? At the same range. So not much of a difference over here, ठीक है. Other than that, we have Apollo. अपोलो का सी वेरी सिंपल सा है, 12% का ग्रोथ इंजन है, 1 लाख, आई थिंक मोर देन 1 लाख करोड़ का मार्केट कैप, आई थिंक 1.2 लाख करोड़ का मार्केट कैप है. वेरी डिफिकल्ट एट दिस बेस फॉर यू टू ग्रो, वेरी डिफिकल्ट, ठीक है. उसका बेस ही उसका एनिमी है, दैट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. अपोलो इज लाइक HDFC बैंक ऑफ, यू नो, ऑफ बैंकिंग स्पेस में जो HDFC बैंक है, अपोलो इज लाइक दैट इन द हॉस्पिटल स्पेस, ठीक है. इट इज HDFC ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल स्पेस, ठीक है. गुड कंपनी, ग्रेट मैनेजमेंट, ठीक है, बट नो ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्टेड, 12 to 15% का ग्रोथ, ठीक है. इम्पॉसिबल फॉर देम टू ग्रो इवन इफ दे एड बेड्स और सो. द बेड एडिशन, यू नो, उसका इतना बड़ा बेस है, whatever beds they add ना on that base, it becomes very minuscule, ठीक है. That is why you will see, you know, ये लोग, you know, they're going into other ventures, franchising कर रहे हैं, they're starting Apollo clinics, they're starting, you know, the pharmacy centers and everything. But unfortunately, the clinics, the pharmacy centers, they have, you know, now see, Apollo का hospital कैसा था पहले, you will get everything under one roof. Now they've understood, you know, it becomes very difficult to put that size of hospital everywhere. That is one problem. Second problem is you do not get land land and everything, to put that big size of a hospital. So what they're doing, they're either putting clinic in, every gully mein apna Apollo clinic ka franchisee kar raha hai, varna they're putting up a specialized center, like, Apollo, I think, what is that thing, maternal bol ke ek unka, just for maternal, just for pregnant women, and, IVF centers khol rahe, very standalone kind of businesses they're opening over there. Okay? But unfortunately, all these new ventures are loss making. They're not even, they don't even break even on an EBITDA level. So again, that is a problem with Apollo. Okay? So that is a thing. But can you see, having Apollo is much better in your portfolio than all of these three companies, like having Apollo is way better. At least it grows at some rate, compared to these hospitals. Okay? Aster ka bhi hai 12% ka growth engine. Now, again, their bed expansion also, you can see it is so much. The problem with Aster is over here, iska agar aap dekhte ho, occupancy, let me just get the occupancy data for Aster. हाँ, occupancy iska sirf, is not really improved that much, and unka specialty treatments also, is a bit stagnant only. Oncology treatment was contributing 10% last year, this time 11%. Okay? That is the thing. The only good thing happening over here with Aster is, is the fact, यहाँ पे इसका they have done a, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, they have acquired a company, एक merger हो रहा है with a company called as Blackstone, which owns Quality Care. Now उनका hospitals also will be merged over here. उनका, again, it is yet to take place. इसका NCLT में, case चल रहा है, like it is yet to be approved by NCLT. Do not know when it will happen. But the Quality Care also, ना उसका भी growth rate is 12% only. So not really much over here. ठीक है? Aster also very mediocre only, वही 18% का CAGR. They plan to go from 5,159 beds to 7,291 in like a span of like in like 3 to 4 years they plan to do so. ठीक है? So that's that with Aster. अगर मैं बात करूँ, I would say the worst of the lot is probably Narayana Hrudayalaya and GPT Healthcare. Now I know there are a lot of fans with Narayana Hrudayalaya, but I don't know what you have to defend with like a 10% ka growth. Like there is nothing to defend here. Okay? I mean, everybody will tell Cayman, but bro, what with Cayman? Us Cayman ka to kuch ho hi nahi raha ultimately from last 1 year. Okay? Iska main operation se India mein hi. Okay? And India mein right now, if you look at it, the majority they have is, uska jo India ka operations hai. The problem over here is the current existing capacity is all reaching, all hospitals are being mature. Okay? And whatever they're putting up, the new hospital, they're putting up a big hospital in Bangalore, and in Calcutta they're coming up. But it will take them 3 to 4 years, for them to be, for them to get operationalized. And if I include all the capex that they're doing now, they'll go from 5,749 beds, to approximately this 7,680 beds. Okay? They will do so by FY28. Okay? Almost 25 to almost 3 years ka pakad ke chalo aap. That is literally like 6% ka CAGR hai unka. So think about it. 3 to 4 years se 6% ke CAGR, it can get delayed also. And versus the same Max is doing 18 to 20% ka CAGR. They're doubling. So where is the competition over here with Narayana and Max? Now I know people will come and they'll tell ki like, array Max, Narayana started the insurance policy. But why? Have you ever looked at an insurance company? It takes them 10 years to be profitable. Are you crazy? Like, and even insurance policy is also at a nascent stage right now. They've only started in Bangalore and Mysore, and now they'll go forward and they'll do everything. Again, very hard, right? But mostly यहाँ पे hospital का ही धंधा है ना. Ultimately, आगे जाके it's not like insurance will take over here or something. It's not like product mix is changing for the better, right? Ultimately, hospital is a main business, and you look at over here, hospital is not growing only. That is a problem, and it's been what 3-4 quarters right now where Narayana has not showed any sort of growth. So again, do not understand the entire hype between with Narayana over here. Okay? The last one, GPT Healthcare, the worst of the lot. 2% का growth rate है, very localized hospital in Calcutta, good for nothing. ठीक है? उसका अगर आप देखते हो, there are 700 beds right now. They have put up a hospital, I forgot where, in Ranchi, in Jharkhand, and in Jamshedpur, I believe. I think ये Jharkhand का Ranchi या Jharkhand का hospital, 140 beds. It has been commissioned in Q4. In Raipur, they're coming up with another hospital in 152 hospitals, but very difficult. I think FY27, FY28 may it should get commissioned, and they have acquired another hospital in Jamshedpur. Okay? But the problem here with what GPT Healthcare doesn't have any, like, like how do I put this, like uska kuch USP nahi hai. They're just any random hospital that is there in Calcutta, you know, chota sa hospital, theek hai. Like you have na many standalone hospitals, aap dekh sakte apne shehar mein ek chota sa hospital which nobody knows. They are like that, theek hai. Kuch hai nahi, kuch ata pata nahi hai. Occupancy mein they struggle, theek hai. They really struggle to grow their occupancy. They can't increase a price hike also. In fact, uska growth rate is getting affected a lot is because one of their hospital is near that, you know, remember wo Calcutta mein wo jo incident hua tha, right? That doctor, you know, very unfortunate incident happened with a doctor, right? A woman doctor, right? She was assaulted. So this one of the GPT ka healthcare ka hospital is around that RPG medic wo jo college hai around that. And you know, right, there are a lot of people, the doctors and the nurses, they protested telling they won't work. So because of that, the overall growth rate for this year has been affected. Not just along with that, if you look at this, one of the reasons its growth rate is a little bit better is they have a lot of this Bangladeshi immigrants coming here, you know, for treatments. Even now, you know, with all the you know, right, like a lot of issues are happening, they're like stopping that has also affected them. So more or less the medical tourism over here has been affected, and this overall. But overall, I mean very mediocre. If I have Yatharth and Jupiter, let's say Jupiter is also okay, Global Health is also much better compared to GPT, okay? Matlab at least higher growth rate and higher expansion, okay? So that is the thing. I would put these two in the first position. I would put all of these in the second position. And these three, I would probably, I think even Aster you can put in the second position, but this I would put in the last position. ठीक है. The last thing is Asarfi. अगर मैं बात करूँ Asarfi, oh my god, I think this video is going to be for an hour, guys. Enjoy. The last thing if I have to talk is about Asarfi, ठीक है. Asarfi का problem क्या था? It stood a chance to compete, ठीक है. 40% का growth rate है, growing faster than that of Max and Yatharth, right? Max is 30%. Another advantage of Asarfi is what base is small. I think hardly 200 crore का market cap है. So obviously, you know, lesser the base, very easy to get a P rating now. An ant can anyways grow faster than an elephant. But here comes a problem. They have two hospitals. एक hospital है जिसमें 250 beds है. They recently opened a cancer hospital which is around, you know, like uska 60 beds hai. They're telling this will take 60 to 150 beds we will take in a span of 1 year or 2 years, and this 250 beds jo hospital hai, we will take it to 350 beds whenever we see that there is a demand, theek hai. So what abhi, you know, you might see this growth rate that you see 40% ka for probably until FY26 FY27. That is it, theek hai, because this cancer hospital that is there, it started recently now. So because of that you will get that growth. But aage jaake ye can, you know, after a certain point when you reach 150 beds, after that you no longer have new beds coming now. Then after that the growth will be stopped. And wo bol raha tha con call mein in FY27, you know, they will reach around 400 beds now if I take this 250 plus 150 beds around from the cancer hospital. From 400 beds, you know, they will take 1 to 1000 beds in a span of next 10 years. 400 से 1000 बेड्स इन स्पैन ऑफ नेक्स्ट 10 इयर्स. मतलब क्या आपका आपका बेड एक्सपेंशन मतलब 10% के है. मतलब which means what? There is no growth rate. The growth rate you're seeing right now is only and only because of that commissioning of that new cancer ka hospital. If that cancer ka hospital may, let's say once they reach a full capacity utilization, the growth rate will again go down to, you know, 20% kind of growth rate, whatever we were seeing earlier. Okay? So that is the thing. Unka aage ka capex, if you see, it's not really that strong. Another negative thing with what happened with Asarfi is that given a very strong guidance for FY26, that is the upcoming year 25-26. Now they're telling jo bhi humne guidance diya tha 25-26 ko, we will push it forward by a year. It will happen by 27. That FY26-27 में हम करेंगे. Obviously ना, जब आप कोई भी guidance को delay करते हो, it becomes a negative news for a shareholder now. That is the thing. So this is a problem with Asarfi. इसलिए मैंने, you know, I that is why I believe Asarfi is not a competitor to, you know, to Max or even Yatharth for that matter of sake. If let's say if that come and they told, you know, कि like yeah, we are putting up this many beds, आगे जाके हम 400 से 800 करेंगे in a span of 2 to 3 years. Yes, you know, it would have been very nice, but that really ticked me off. You know, 400 से 1000 crore करेगा, sorry 1000 beds करेगा in a span of 10 years, ठीक है. Other than that, you know, they have no plan. सिर्फ ये cancer hospital है. Even the cancer hospital, they told they will reach 50% occupancy this year, but they hardly reached a 30% occupancy this year, ठीक है. So that is there. इसका Asarfi का यही था. That is why I believe it is not a competitor with Max at all, या even Yatharth. Yatharth का market cap है 5000, Max का market cap cap is 1 lakh crore. How can you, being a 200 crore ka market cap, you can't grow faster than Max and Yatharth? Your base is smaller. You are not even willing to do a bed capacity ka expansion. It just shows you, कि like nahi hai. And can you imagine, unka sirf 2 hospital hai, 250 beds in the main hospital, and there they're not increasing the bed capacity. वो बोल रहे, when we see the demand, we will do it 350. That demand you can witness probably 1 year after or 2 years after, or maybe never you will see the demand. So एक ही hospital में they do not want to increase. एक ही main hospital है, and there only you do not want to increase the bed capacity. It shows कि like इसका जो है उतना demand नहीं है. They don't have that presence. They don't have that USP like what other hospitals have. Like Max का USP क्या है? I will provide you the premium and the best care. ठीक है. यथार्थ का क्या है? भाई तुम दिल्ली NCR हो, मैं तुम्हारा भाई हूँ. That is how यथार्थ is. Similarly with Rainbow, I am children ka specialist. I have that USP, and I will make sure I can position myself at a premium level, which none of which Asafi doesn't have, or they don't even probably aspire also to do that. So that is the thing. Okay. So if I remove Gina, I would say Gina is the best of the lot over here. As you can see, by far, by a mile in every metric: occupancy, ARPOB ka growth rate, bed capacity, founder ka clarity, everything. I will tell you guys, if you want to, just do not read Gina ka con call, listen to Gina ka con call. You will understand what it is like for a businessman to be passionate. You will understand, somebody has put their life, their money, their sweat, blood, tears, everything, their name behind a company, and they're backing it up, right? That is Acharya Manish for you, okay? So even if I exclude Gina, because I understand Gina is like not really a hospital, it is like an Ayurvedic lifestyle treatment provide. Even if you put that, Max and Yatharth are the ones leading the race. Now the only thing over here is who will come first, okay? And that will be very interesting to see in this year, FY 25-26. Very, very interesting to see if Max can get operating leverage. If it does, it can get a P rating, okay? It will be hard, but it is possible. At the same time, will Yatharth continue to come first? Can it go back to that? Can it go back to beating Max? And if it can beat Max now, at least for a matter of like, bhai, ek saal you beat Max, just one year, just fucking beat Max and get that operating leverage. There would be like, this idiot can have a P rating, okay? Like absolutely it can do. And ek saal tak jo bhi ye IT ka case hai wo hai, please get it resolved. That is the thing. So that is something I think in this hospital space you need to look forward to. None of these hospitals, none of it, I think in by a mile they can't compete with anybody in the hospital space. There is no way they can compete. These 2 hospitals that is there, Yatharth and Kim's Yatharth and Max jo hai, even Kim's to a certain extent, we'll have to see race mein kaun aa raha hai, okay? And if any out of these 3 can get operating leverage, well and good. The only advantage Yatharth has over Max is uska base is very small, and if they can utilize this base effect and if they can grow faster and get that operating leverage, now P rating is possible over here. That is something we need to look for FY 26. Last thing, ek aur hospital tha. I forgot the name. I think it was one of you guys had asked me in the comment section on Twitter. You had asked me to include the analysis. I think it was called as Astrmeris, ASTRMIS, something of that range. I'm forgetting the name. I think whoever it is, you would know which hospital you asked me. Uska growth rate is hardly 7%. It goes out. Bhai, Desh is growing at hamara GDP ka growth. I think you saw the recent data, right? 7.26% now. You are not even growing at that rate. FD ka, you get savings, you get FD, you get 7% of growth rate. Why would you want to come to the market, put your money in that kind of a growth engine, okay? And take so much volatility, take so much tension, take so much anxiety? Like, makes no sense. And that hospital has no capex ka plan, nothing, very stagnant thing. So that is the thing. So absolutely no, that is why I didn't include it in the list. At least jo bhi bolo GPT thoda to capex kar raha hai, kuch to kar raha hai. That is the thing, okay? So that's that, guys, about today's video. I am tired. My throat is paining. So yeah, that's it about today's video. I hope the entire hospital sector makes sense for you. And I believe, starting from the next quarter, you should be able to, like, do it for yourself, right? There should be no problem. You should be able to pick up the PPT, and at least just by looking at the income statement, you should be able to figure out, who's coming first and second. Okay. So that's that for today's video. Bye. It's a Saturday. I'm going to have some fun. I hope you all have a great time with your family. Bye.